Understanding the basics of home electrical wiring takes some good information, some hands-on experience, and you'll be up and running in no time. Before you begin any electrical project, check with your local building department to understand building codes for your area and acquire any permits if you should need them. If you're a homeowner, be careful that your projects are legal and approved, or you could void your homeowner's insurance. Always seek out a professional electrician to help you through any complex situation.
So let's talk a little bit more about the electrical code. Briefly, the electrical code is a set of rules that has to be followed, and it's of the utmost importance that you familiarize yourself with the code, and if in doubt, ask. The code information that we'll be passing on to you through this course will be based on the rules and regulations of the General NEC, which is the National Electrical Code, and the Canadian Electrical Code, the CEC. Please be aware that certain rules and regulations may vary in your particular area. When in doubt, always consult with a professional electrician and your local inspector or inspection department. Electrical code is essentially the rules and regulations regarding the installation of residential and industrial systems in your particular area. The overseer of this law is the electrical inspector, and his or her word is the law. Their powers extend to great lengths, including the authority to stop or hold up a job based solely on the fact that he or she isn't satisfied with the quality of your work. So my advice to you, treat the inspector very, very nicely. Most electrical work requires that you obtain a permit with your local electrical authority. Many jurisdictions allow a homeowner to work on his or her own home's electrical system. Some areas will only allow work on the branch circuits and not the main service and distribution panel. Other areas will not allow the homeowner to work on their own electrical at all and will not issue permits. This does vary from place to place, so it's critical that before you commence any do-it-yourself home wiring project, you first check on the rules in your area. Please remember that the system of inspection in your province, state, or region may vary, so check it out before you begin any electrical job.